What's up, guys? We're back. I know it's been a while. Had some life changes I was going through. Not doing mechanic work anymore. I started my own lawn care business. So we're gonna take you along for that journey now. So I believe in the last video, I think I said something about showing you more hunt videos. What I got during turkey season wasn't quite good enough. Hopefully bear season will be better. So that's to come as well. But the lawn care side, we are heading to the next client right now, and it's not really a lawn, it's more of a property cleanup. A lot of weeds, tall grass, brush, that kind of stuff that she wants cut down because of a fire hazard. So I started on it last week, did a section, gonna do another section this week, and just keep going until it's all cleaned up. So yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, I did that section right there and that little bit up there. So today I'm gonna do that tall stuff because I can hit that with the mower, and then start working on all of this stuff that hasn't been touched. Get that knocked down for higher fire hazard. So last week when I was here, I just had regular weed eater string on my weed eaters, bouncing back and forth so I don't burn one of them up. And I was burning through string like crazy. So I got metal blade for one of my weed eaters. Got the other one that still has a string on it. But this is going to take that tall grass and the thick weeds that are around here down so quick. So we'll see just how long it takes me to do a section. So I mean, I might be able to get a lot more done because I can do it a lot faster with this. So let's get to it. So I think we're going to mow this section first to get it out of the way, because the rest of the stuff I won't be able to mow. It's gonna all have to be weed eat. So get this knocked out real quick and jump on that weed eater, see how well that does. So as you can see, I switched back to regular string head. I'll explain it more here in a bit, but for this stuff, the string was actually quicker. So I did a couple strips up that way, like 5 or 6 strips right here. But the blade, I don't know what kind of weed or plant or whatever this is, but it's dead. String can't cut through the dead ones, but that blade will cut that no problem, like it's not even there. These ones that are live, it takes forever for the string to actually cut it. So in this situation, what I did right here, mainly grass, some weeds, but and there's sticks and stuff. That's why I don't mow it. But string was a lot faster, especially because of the grass. The blade didn't really cut the grass all that well. It would do it for sure, but I mean, the string trimmer is meant for grass, so it cuts the grass really well. But I probably went through at least half, maybe 3/4 of the amount of string that you can fit in the head of these weed eaters in 3 or 4 passes with the string trimmer. So you do go through a lot of extra string using that with on what I'm cutting, but the blade does work really well. That was the first time actually using it at a customer's house. I used it a little bit on those weeds that I showed you back there at my house, and it did really good. So the majority of the stuff that I needed that for was way back there that I did last time with the string trimmer, but we've got a lot of that stuff over there that might need the metal blade for. So that's pretty much it, what I'm going to do today. So like I said, I did 6 passes or so through here, 2 running up the hill, mowed this section, which is looking good. So once that side of the house is done, we're gonna tackle this side, and I can see way back there there's a lot of those weeds, so that blade's really gonna come in handy for that stuff back there. So yeah, I'm gonna get loaded up and get out of here. Hope you enjoyed.